This is the Culinary cooking torch. It's for creme brulees, baking, desserts, or searing. So the butane is not included, so you do need to make sure that you buy that. But it's pretty easy. It just goes right down here, and you just push the butane up into it, and it fills it up, and then it's good to go. It comes in a variety of different colors, but I got this beautiful navy blue, and then you can see right here that it says like open or close depending on if you want more or less gas, and then of course with a flame. So if we start like this, so you have to, oh, and see right here, it has it's all the way up with the plus and the minus. So you can kind of see, so there it is. And then when you close it, nothing happens. See, like the button does not work. So it's safer for kids unless they can read, and then you have a problem. But then you just turn it all the way back on, and there you go. And then if you turn it all the way to low, you know, in here, let's see what middle is. So that's what middle is. And then the farther it gets, a little farther. You can use it for other things too. I use this for crafts as well. So if I'm doing resin projects, this gets all the little bubbles out of the resins. Just be sure that you don't go too close. You gotta stay back like a hair blow dryer and do it that way. But I really like it, and it's compact, which I think is amazing.